For $1 a minute, you can date your own robot or chatbot. 23-year-old Snapchat influencer Karen Marjorie unveiled a Chat-GPT-powered doppelganger version of herself. The virtual companion engages in anything from emotional sport to erotic pillow talk. Prospective boyfriends have already lined up to land a date with Karen AI. Currently, there's a 96-hour wait list. Reid Blackman is founder and CEO of Virtue, an AI ethical risk consultancy. He's also the author of the book Ethical Machines, and he joins us now to talk about this exhilarating or threatening idea to humanity.
Depends on what you're saying to the chatbot. It might be quite exhilarating, yeah.
You know, you and I have had conversations about where this is headed, and you told me within 5 years, AI will be integrated into every one of our lives in some fashion.
Well, it already is in some low-stakes cases. So, one thing that we are all familiar with our photo software, where, I take a photo of you, and it goes into my will folder automatically because it recognizes your face. Or if you do international travel, instead of having an agent read your passport, you just takes your photo and it knows who you are, it spits it out, and off you go. So it's already beginning to get integrated, and we'll see more and more of it. 5 years from now, yeah, we're going to see a tremendous amount of use cases, and it will start to, as it already does, really just fade into the background. We don't know we're interacting with AI. We're just interacting with a piece of software that we like.
But give me a vision, if you would, of what life looks like in 5 years. You and I had a conversation. You didn't necessarily paint a dystopian vision, but you said it might not look unlike something like that movie with Joaquin Phoenix, Her, where you do have a relationship with your AI concierge.
Yeah, I mean, it strikes me as totally bizarre, for the record. I think it's totally bizarre. I do think that some people, many people, especially given the sort of pandemic of loneliness that we're seeing now, are going to turn to chatbots instead of to people. My move then isn't to sort of condemn those people for having relationships with chatbots. My question is, well, why are they turning to chatbots and not other people? What's going on in society at large or with them in their lives such that they're finding emotional comfort more in AI than they are in people? That's a weird thing that's going on. So it strikes me as a problem, but not to blame those people, but it, to me, surfaces some other kinds of issues that we might have to face.
Yeah, issues in humanity, inside of ourselves, as a society. I don't know. Yeah. I think it's the #1 story there is to consider. I think every other story is subsidiary to what the impact of artificial intelligence will be on civilization. Reid Blackman, I've enjoyed these conversations with you. Let's hope they continue.
My pleasure.
All right.